Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Forge. First, navigate to the main menu and select the Custom Games option. From there, choose Forge to enter the editor. You'll start on a blank canvas, ready to build. Use the left stick to move your camera and the right stick to rotate. Press it to open the object menu and begin placing items. It's a creative space for designing unique maps and scenarios. Once in the object menu, you'll find categories like structures, scenery, and gameplay. Select an item with A and place it with X. To manipulate an object, highlight it and press Y to open the edit options. Here, you can change its scale, rotate it on 3 axes, and fine-tune its position. Grouping multiple objects together with LB and RB allows for easier movement of larger builds. Beyond basic placement, Forge offers advanced tools. Scripting allows you to define object behaviors, like doors opening or traps activating. Access the scripting menu to link events and actions, bringing your map to life. You can also set custom game rules, including starting resources or unit limits, to tailor the gameplay experience. Don't forget to test your creations thoroughly with AI or friends to ensure everything works as intended. After perfecting your map, remember to save it from the pause menu. This ensures your hard work isn't lost and allows you to revisit it later. You can then share your creations with the wider community, letting others experience your unique designs. Many players enjoy exploring new maps, so don't hesitate to upload yours. Also, for great deals and to check out that Owala water bottle, make sure to look at the links in the description below. Happy forging!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.